Hello children. We will discuss some questions from the chapter Chemical Reactions and Equations. Question number 1. We have to balance the chemical reaction and to mention the physical states for that one. Barium chloride plus potassium sulfate gives barium sulfate plus potassium chloride. Chemical formula for the given compounds. BaCl2 plus K2SO4 gives BaSO4 plus KCl. List out the elements which is present in the LHS and RHS and mention their counts also. In RHS, Cl and K is not balanced. So we are multiplying it with 2 to make it balance on both the sides. Finally, we will get the proper balanced chemical equation as BaCl2 in aqueous combines with K2SO4 in aqueous gives BaSO4 in solid, where a white precipitate will be formed plus 2 moles of KCl in aqueous. Mention the subscripts properly in the above equation. Question number 2. We have to identify the substance oxidized, reduced, the oxidant and the reductant in the given chemical equation. MnO2 plus HCl gives MnCl2 plus H2O plus Cl2. So here HCl is getting oxidized because we are removing the hydrogen from that one. And MnO2 is reduced to MnCl2 where we are taking the oxygens from that one. And the substance which is oxidized will be considered as the reductant and the substance which is reduced will be considered as the oxidant. Many of the students will have misconception in this one. So, in order to avoid that misconception, what we have to do now, you have to remember that the oxidant, reductant, oxidized, reduced species, we have to mention from the reactant side only, not from the product. Question number 3. We have to identify compound X, Y, Z, A, and we have to mention the proper chemical reaction and its type involved. So X is an universal solvent, it is nothing but water. And Y is used in the manufacture of cement, it is calcium oxide, where water and calcium oxide combines together to form the compound Z, it is calcium hydroxide. The type of the reaction involved here is combination reaction and excess of heat energy is liberated from that one. So it is an exothermic reaction also. And finally, we have to identify what is A. So calcium hydroxide combines with carbon dioxide to form calcium carbonate plus water. It is a neutralization type of reaction where calcium hydroxide is acting as a basic compound and carbon dioxide is an acidic compound and both are combining together to form salt plus water. So calcium carbonate is the salt here.